Students, welcome back to our channel Abhi Commerce Classes in Mathematics, and today we are going to solve the two questions of exercise 1.1 of NCERT textbook number system, and these two are in previous video I have given you introduction of this chapter that we have to solve in this exercise that if two numbers are given and you have to find 5 rational numbers between them. So in previous video I have given you only small introduction that how to solve them and what are the methods to solve them. Today we are going to solve the question from exercise 1.1. The first question is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. If you have book, you can see in your books also, and in previous video I have already told you that yes, 0 is a rational number. First you remember that what is the condition for being rational number. So if any number which can be represented in the form of p by q, where q is not equals to 0, is known as rational number. So can we write 0 in the form of p by q? I have told you that 0 by 1, when we divide 0 by 1, we always get 0. Don't be confused that when 1 is divided by 0 then it is infinity, but here we can write 0 in the form of 0 by 1. हम यहाँ पे 0 को 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं जो कि p बाई क्यू. यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं अगर हम कंपेयर करें p बाई क्यू फॉर्म से तो p इज इक्वल्स टू 0 है और q इज इक्वल्स टू 1 है. q 0 नहीं है, q is not equals to 0. So yes, we can write 0 in the form of p by q, where q is not equals to 0 and p is also 0 is also an integer, 1 is also an integer. So it is a rational number. Yes, 0 is a rational number. So hope you understood. Now we will solve the third question of that exercise. Find 5 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. I know you will get some difficulties when you will find the addition, subtraction of 3 by 5 or rational numbers. If you are you have learned this in previous class, but if you have any problem, please tell me in comment box. I will separately make video for that. Now first of all we will solve this. Now in number line, here it is 0, since both the numbers are positive, so it is in positive direction. 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. We have to find first number, rational number. So what is the formula? You remember, a plus b by 2. Here we will take a is equals to 3 by 5, b is equals to 4 by 5. Put in the formula, first rational number is equals to 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Since both the numbers are in rational form, so we have to write 2 also in rational form. 2 by 1. The value will doesn't change, it will remain 2 only. So how to find addition? We have to take LCM of both the numbers, denominator numbers. 5 by 5, 5 rational number. When we will take the LCM, then we will get only 5 into 1, 5. When you will divide this 5, you will get 1. 1 into 3, 3 plus 4. 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1, and 1 when multiplied by 4, that it is 4. If you are getting difficulty, tell me in comment box. I will make separate video on this. 4 plus 3, 7 by 5 divided by 2 by 1. You have you know the formula that a by b, when it is in the form of a by b divided by x by y, then when it goes up it becomes a by b into y by x. It just changes its order. So next step, 7 by 5, because of that formula 1 will be on the numerator and 2 will be in denominator. 7 into 1, 7, 5 2s are 10. So first rational number is 7 by 10. Now you have to find the other rational number between 3 by 5 and 7 by 10, and next between 7 by 10 and 4 by 5. So here second, here third rational number. How you will find? In the same manner, you have to put a is equals to 3 by 5, b is equals to 7 by 10. So how you will find? I am rubbing this. Now second rational number, same, put here, b is equals to 7 by 10. Now solve that. 3 by 5 plus 7 by 10 divided by 2. Here we have to write 2 by 1 because it is in rational form. It is only for your understanding that you please don't make mistake. Now if you take LCM of 5 and 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, sorry. 5 1s are 5. So 5 into 2, 10. So what is the LCM? 10. 5 2s are 10. 2 into 3, 6 plus 7 by 2 upon 1 is equals to 6 plus 7, 13 by 10 whole divided by 2 by 1. Similarly here again we will get 13 by 10 into 1 by 2. What we will get? 13 into 1, 13, 10 into 2, 20. So the next rational number is 13 by 20. Similarly, we can find the other rational number between 7 by 10 and 4 by 5. You just put the values here. A is equals to 7 by 10, B is equals to 4 by 5. Any number you can take. You can also take these two numbers or these two numbers or these two numbers, anywhere you want. So the next, again we will take the numbers 7 by 10 plus 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 1. So when you will get the LCM of 5 and 10, it is again 10. So here is 10. Now solve these. 5 2s are 4 2s are 8 divided by, now 8 plus 7, 15 by 10 whole divided by 2 upon 1. 15 by 10 into 1 by 2. Because of that formula, a upon b whole divided by x by y is equals to a upon b into y by x. This is the formula, that's why we are getting this line. 10 into 2, 20. So the next rational number is 15 by 20. Now it is your choice. Now the next two numbers, whether you want to find out between these two numbers, these two numbers, these two numbers or these two numbers. It is all totally depends on you. So here I am taking 3 by 5 and 13 by 20, and the next 15 by 20 and 4 by 5. So again change the value. A is equals to 3 by 5, B is equals to 13 by 20. We have found out till now 3 rational numbers, these 3. Now again solve. 3 by 5 plus 13 by 20 divided by 2 upon 1. When we will take out the LCM, 5 is not divisible, so 2 1s are 2 zeros are, again 2 5s are 5 1s are. So what is the expression? 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4 5s are 20. Here the LCM is 20. 5 4 तो 4 3 12 plus 13 divided by 2 upon 1. The next is 3 plus 2 5, 2 1 1 2 divided by 20 whole divided by 2 by 1. Now the next expression is 25 by 20 into 1 by 2, 25 by 40. So the next rational number is 25 by 40. Here we have already got 3 rational numbers and this is 4. The last rational number we have to find, and we will find out this by 15 by 20 and 4 by 5. You can take any number. Please solve at home by taking various other rational numbers. So you become expert in this, in finding out the rational numbers. If you have any doubt or any issues while I am teaching you, you can tell me in the comment box. 15 by 20, 4 by 5 divided by 2 upon 1. So what is the expression? Again LCM is 20 because of here, and 15 when we solve, or 5 4s are 20, 4 4s are 16. 2 by 1. What will we get? 31 by 20 whole divided by 2 upon 1. So what is the answer again? 31 by 20 into 1 by 2. So 31 by 40. What is the next rational number is 31 by 40. You have to mention here, but here there is no place, so I have denoted it on the upside of the number line, but you have to denote it below the number line. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. I will clear your doubt in the next video. I think it is all clear to you. Please keep solving on your home, and that's it for today. Thank you.